Motion is carried.
House rules being suspended, would like to request that Councilor Ramel Duron be recognized.
Councilor Duron, you have the floor.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, I was interrupted by when I about to sit, Councilor Ong. Yeah, maybe you're talking of you're a dog lover and you want dog style. Sa Pilipan, yeah. So, thank you, Madam Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer, Majority Floor Leader. Last, I think it was only last Monday that we have a new secretary of the Department of Public Works and Highways in the person of Vince Dizon, or the former DOTR secretary. With this development, with the ongoing investigation, I think everyone knows what is happening in the national level. The ongoing Senate investigation. Well, in the local level, we are also doing our job. No? While we cannot duplicate what is happening in the national level because of our limited capacity, we don't have the power to issue subpoena or to order contempt. We don't have the power to contempt. So anyway, we will just be contented of what we can do in the local level, especially in our infrastructure projects, wherein we have an OIC district engineer who is very uncooperative. Ginauna niya pa ang pride niya, ang kaugalingon niya, because we have been inviting him for twice already, and he refused to attend just because nga gindeklarar siya persona non grata. Maybe this is chance to explain. Gin-invite natin gani siya, and it is his chance to explain kung nga gindeklarar siya persona non grata. Bago lang na siya, I think he was only designated. He is not even the regular district engineer. I think only last August. So it's been almost 2 years where he was an OIC. So luckily, maayo man ni kay naislan man, maybe he has a strong connection with the former secretary. Kay do hindi siya ma-move, no? Everyone knows that in the media, no less than the president intimated that he would like to return to the old practice of consulting the local government units, the provincial, the city, municipality, and even to the barangay level. Because the barangay, while although the smallest unit of the organization, but they are the ones who knows what is happening in their particular area. They knows what is best for their place. Yesterday, we conducted an ocular inspection. I invited almost every city councilors and the different agencies involved. The issue there is only cutting of trees or earth balling. I-transfer lang gani ito ang mga bungalon. The one is the place is between Tabukan, the Carpenter Bridge, going to the Sunset Boulevard. Cap Montilibano told me that he issued already RONO or resolution of no objection on the barangay level, but only as to the cutting of or earth balling